Now to the second question that says, how do you get to process or attempt all that you studied or being taught in exams? So this is a question about examination. And the response I would give is, as a student, you get to do these things over a course of many years, and then you master it. You know how best to prepare, what to do and what not to do. But let me just respond to the question directly about how to process all that you studied or being taught for an exam. I studied mathematics, and the essence of me studying the mathematics is because I actually enjoy it, and it is curiosity that drives me to go through each chapter, each page, to attend each lecture, go through my notes, ask questions. So that's the first bit. So the curiosity of wanting to know. So for each class I attend or each chapter I read, I try to understand what exactly is the main takeaway point here. If we are trying to probably, for example, differential equations, we're trying to solve differential equations, okay. What kind of differential equations are there? Is there a particular style to solving one type of differential equation compared to another? For example, some will say, okay, in maths, there's this idea of homogeneous and non-homogeneous ODEs, and there are different techniques of solving them. So what I try to do is I try to understand which technique works for which method, and then solve as many questions as possible such that I master the techniques. And the additional part is I also teach people this same stuff that I've learned, and I find that the best way to master something is teaching it. So by teaching people, these techniques stick, and when it comes to exam, I've taught so many people so much number of times, I've solved so many questions repeatedly over and over again, such that when I see a problem, it just comes to me. I know exactly what to do, how to solve it. Or if there's a proof, I've probably explained the proof to someone like 50 times over. I had some kind of friends that, very wonderful people. They make me explain the same concept over and over and again. And for me to explain it such that they understand it, I have to practice it, I have to understand it, I have to understand each line of the proof, each statement. Why is this statement this and not the other way around? What does this statement lead to? Okay, if they say this at this particular point in the proof, if I get another point, how does that connect with it? So I try to ask so many questions in my head, because I know that my friends will ask me these questions and I should be able to provide them answers. So I should be able to explain it. So helping people out generally, and doing the maths because I enjoy it. I'm curious about it. I want to know exactly what it's about. So the curiosity, the helping people, and practicing the questions over and over and over and again makes it easy for me to just go into the exam hall and write. I know there's a part, as I said, this stuff, I've done it so many times. When I mean done it, like I've had to read, prepare, explain to people, and then write an exam. Done it in my secondary level, the university, undergraduate and postgraduate, and I have an idea of what it's about, and I probably know how to do it well enough. And let me just stop there. Let me not say any other thing. Okay,